Blessed day, my viewers and my subscribers. Before me jump in at the topics, my beginner to hit that like button. It will be greatly appreciated. Now, the topics coming up in this video. Jada Kindgom gets removed from Reggae Sumfest and replaced by Ishawna. Second person who was conned up with popular photographer and director M0VED has passed away. Dovey Magnum trolled dancehall Queen Spice after she was scheduled to perform at BRT weekend. Producer Shab Don to stand trial for corruption charges on November the 28th. Former Miss Jamaica Universe Casey Fassel while at supermarket. Tony and Singh responds to Popcaan complaining about losing every woman because of her. Family and friends sad after a man fell off a ship at the Kingston wharf and cannot be found. And a female gospel singer gets conned up at her residence in St. Elizabeth. So the first thing we're going to talk about is some news I'm here right about now as it relates to the popular photographer and video director named Dominic Davis, otherwise known as M0VED, you see me? And of course you know that this guy work with a whole heap of big top celebrities, being man, Crystal Tomlinson. The man work with a whole heap of people. You understand what I say? So you don't know, say, I think it was about 9 days now or something like that. I think 9 days now since it happened. I'm not sure. But anyway, basically while he was at home of Mullines Road, I think a Marvally Avenue or something like that, some man run in and actually con him up. You understand what I say? No, it was actually two of them who was at the house at the time. Him friend did dead and him they get con up as well, but the friend never drop out yet. You understand what I say, people? And you don't know, I guess the officers them would have hope him would have make it through because he was the one who actually saw them look and all of that. So of course he could have gave the police them good assistance and tell them certain things, but what come for find out say him never make it through. You understand what I say, people? And a post was made over by Pinkwall saying Kamal, that's where the youth name. M0VED, a friend, passed away today. They both got conned up together. Yes, what I say, people. So very sad situation. That's all I can say. And hopefully, I don't know, somebody have some information can assist the officers them and them can get on top of things. You understand, people? But just they have to make you know, say the other person end up a pass away and things, is it? So anyway, people, let me know what you guys think about this in the comment section. So now we're going to talk about a female gospel singer who was up in St. Elizabeth. You see my people, and when I see this, I don't know whether a woman I could have done for actually deserve something like this. Trust me upon that. And I get into the story and you guys can tell me anything about this. Zine people. So it's a gospel singer conned up in St. Elizabeth. Residents of Maxfield Town in Burn, Savannah have been left in shock following the con up of 57-year-old gospel singer Carmen Wellington at her home on Tuesday night. An officer report that Wellington, otherwise called Charmaine, who is described as a Christian lady, was conned up at about 8:35 p.m. in her yard. She was reportedly in the company of relatives when some man traveling in a motor car opened con and it catch her. Head of the St. Elizabeth Police Superintendent Dwight Daly told the Jamaica Observer on Wednesday that a motive has not yet been ascertained, but we are following some strong leads. He said a resident who opted not to be named said she heard about 6 con. I am in shock when I realized that Charmaine was conned up. She was a nice lady, very spiritual. I don't know of her personally being involved in any mix-up with anyone, the resident said. Another resident said similar, stuff about her. And you don't know, basically everybody talk good things about her. You understand? Nice Christian lady, not to be known mix up in any farm, a bangarang and them things. So, for them here say, man go so babs and basically come fear because that's how it look like. Them directly come for she and thing. Why? You understand what I say, people? Is it a case where you can't catch quack or you catch the shot? Or is it a case where boy, I don't know if it's people, trust me, but, I not swear for nobody, I just want to make that clear, because I don't like me know or anything like that, but, I don't know, I just not feel like, say, she not nothing. I don't know people, I don't know, but, let me know anything about this in the comment section. Very sad situation, like me say, you see it. And with that being said, I'm going to just move on to the next topic now, which is Tony and Singh responding to Popcaan after he made a post recently on Twitter saying that from him write that song they about, well, not write the song, from he was featured on Burna Boy's song dedicated to Tony and Singh. All I'm woman them I left him right now. Popcaan put up a couple posts on his Instagram status showing say a whole heap of females are DM him and I talk about say oh, him not write song for them and, you know, him not rate them and this and that. And of course, you know, say the females, them have a bit joke. I don't think none of them actually take it literal because some of them don't know Popcaan, or I don't even think them know him. But anyway, Popcaan goes up and make a post and said, Tony and make every woman left me to BC. I'm so lonely. And him put the crying laughing emoji, you understand? Now, Tony and Singh saw that comment made by Popcaan or that post, and she responded and said, you're lucky with the laughing emoji. You see it, people? So, we don't know what going on with them two, you know. What for us watch and see if one day them are going to actually come out and confirm it and start playing with the public. You see me? Because I remember, you know, Popcaan I bring her go on private jet. He might bring her go this, so that, this. You know, one bag of thing I go on. You see me? I know you go write a song or you go featured in a song where basically the song is about Tony and Singh. You see me? It's not even just dedicated to her, you know. The song name Tony and Singh as well. Anyway, people, let me know what you guys think about this in the comment section. So now we're going to talk about Jada Kindgom being removed from Reggae Sumfest and Ishawna actually replacing her. You understand what I'm saying, people? So let me get into this story so you guys can understand exactly what's taking place. So it's a Ishawna in, Jada Kindgom out of Reggae Sumfest. Dancehall singer Ishawna has been added to the Reggae Sumfest lineup, a move which festival producer Joe Bogdanovich is describing as very exciting. The artist has been a hot topic in recent weeks for her trailblazing collaboration with Ed Sheeran on the song Brace It. News of her addition follows Jada Kindgom Instagram announcement on Monday that she will no longer be performing at the show on July the 23rd. Ishawna has been a long-time downtown artist, and I just think it's so great that she's getting all these good breaks in her career. And I think that the thing with Ed Sheeran could be a #1 record, Bogdanovich told the Star. It's looking pretty good, and I think it's very exciting that she's been added to the lineup. She replaces Jada Kindgom, so I think that's a good look for the festival. Ishawna, no stranger to the Sunfest stage, is slated to perform on July the 22nd. Many will remember her well-arranged set at the show's 2020 two-day virtual edition, where the pink-eared flirt became a viral meme for sticking her tongue out while demonstrating the Populican style. She sealed the moment with her 27-banger, Equal Rights, the song which paved the way for her work with Ed Sheeran. She was awesome and she's stable, that's helpful, said Bogdanovich. He reserved explanation for Kindgom backing out, only commenting what's more important is who's been added to the show. Efforts to get comments from Kindgom team prove futile. Meanwhile, Downtown Entertainment has been publicizing its long-time readiness for the event, employing strategies that consider the challenges presented by CV19. With the festival days away, Bogdanovich shared that preparations are going well and he is confident that it will be a great festival. It'll be a lot safer. We're working on great service, getting people to really enjoy themselves, not being overpacked. We're abiding by the 70% protocol and having a reduction in the number of people there. We've expanded the venue by probably another 4,000 to 5,000 people, so it's more room, and the production is going to be just absolutely mad. Also slated to perform are acts like Alkaline, Spice, Idonia, Shensia, and Massacre, all on July the 22nd, and Berry Salmon, Sizzla Kalonji, Coffee, and Dexter Daps on July the 23rd. So yes, people, what do you guys think about Ishawna replacing Jada Kindgom? Zane, do you think that was a wise move? Even though, to me, still, if I just guess, I feel like say Jada Kindgom back out pan fear part. You see me? Maybe she not get the money where she want. I don't really know people, but I feel like I'm more towards Jada Kindgom's side. But, you know, obviously she don't make no comment or no statement, or our team don't make no statement. You see it? But anyway, people, let me know what you guys think about this in the comment section. So now we're going to talk about former Miss Jamaica Universe being ROBBED. You understand, people? And this happened while she was at a supermarket and some man, 2 man on a bike, you don't know the thing, but them man are not playing no people. One of them jump off and go suburbs and, you know, take her bag and me telling no people, them man them just speed off with it. You understand what I say? But I actually see the video footage and other persons were there, you know, seeing, you know the man will pack the bag like when they're at supermarket and then push a trolley out for you. One of them man that did there and is like nobody not even did want to help her or try to help her or nothing because the bike man them passed that guy so close, all him did have to do just go stand him could have pushed him off for the bike, but maybe him never want to run no risk and go help her out because you don't know if the man them have no strap on them or whatever. You understand? But she basically made a tweet and this is what she had to say about all of this, right? So she said, You are literally safe nowhere in this country, and it's so frustrating. Why am I walking into a General Foods about to enter through the door, and two men on a bike pull up and them take my bag? And she said she tried so hard to get it back. You understand what I say? She also made another post saying, by the way, the officers have informed me that these same men, ROBBED, someone at the post office mall today, wanna just be alert no matter where you are. You see my people, so... You know, it's a very sad situation still. It's like, you know, safe nowhere and thing, you see me? But the only thing is, somebody should have actually tried to help her, because if you don't see the video, people did dead while it happening, you know, and everybody doesn't mind them business. You tell me, say, nobody never see when it happen. You see me? And she, you know, she try run off of the bike and thing, but of course, you know, say, it never work out for her. You see me? But anyway, people, let me know what you guys think about this. Oh, and also, she said that she see, cause you remember in her bag, them take on it of her ATM card and them thing, their Visa card, or credit card, or whatever. And she was actually getting some statements showing that purchases were being made on Fashion Nova and them places. So, you don't know when time you have a, what you call it, like them Visa card, you can go up on Amazon, same way and make purchases and thing. You don't need to put in a password. As long as you have the card number and you have the expiration date, I believe, the year when the card expire, I think that's all you need. But anyway, people, let me know what you guys think about this in the comment section. So now we're going to talk about producer Shab Don, who went to court yesterday, and basically he has actually received a trial is to start on November the 28th. You understand what I mean, people? So let me get into the story so I get some more understanding of what's going on. So it says Shab Don maintains innocence. Battle dancehall producer Shab Don is maintaining his innocence in the triple conning for which he was charged on June the 3rd after being positively identified in an identification parade, according to the Jamaica Constabulary Force. The producer's attorney Donahue Martin, however, is insisting that his client is innocent, as he was not even close to being anywhere near St. James in that period. In another matter of breaching the Corruption Prevention Act, the Salt Spring native, whose real name is Linval Thompson Jr., was represented by his attorney on Tuesday, July the 12th in Kingston and St. Andrew Parish Court, where he was granted bail. Although he remains in custody for 3 counts of charges, Thompson is being accused of offering an officer $2 million to get rid of a strap, for which he was charged and freed in April. Donahue Martin told Dancehall Mag that on July the 12th, for the committal procedure, Shab Don was not physically present in court. I can't speak for the police, but he was not physically present in court on Tuesday, but he is on bail for the matter and will face the courts on another matter on July the 26th, for which a bail application will be submitted. The producer is accused of conning 27 Chadwell Fraser, otherwise called Bombrain or Chad, 24 Chamari or Chippy Calvin, and 26 Tony and Two Fly Reed. Yes, it, people, and as I say, he is scheduled to go back to court on November the 28th and thing. Yes, it, and obviously that has to do with the bribery charge and thing. Yes, what I say, people. Definitely a rough situation when you have more than one case where you have to deal with right away. Anyway, people, let me know what you think about this in the comment section. So now we're going to talk about female artist Dovey Magnum, basically trolling Spice. And if you don't know what's going on for the longest time, Dovey Magnum and Spice, they are not friends. You understand what I say? So I'm not sure if Dovey Magnum, you know, is seeking Spice attention or what. But basically, Hatta Rice, you don't know, say Hatta Rice is Spice personal DJ, right? And basically, he make a post showing that Spice will be at BRT weekend and whatever. Zane, that's in Atlantic City from Friday, July the 15th to Sunday, July the 17th. And of course, the 15th is tomorrow. You understand? So you don't know, Dovey Magnum go suburbs and jump. Oh, also, Skilly Bang look like him go there as well. Dexter Daps and Kes the Ban. You see me? And look like more people are go there as well. So Dovey Magnum go suburbs and jump in the comment section and say, "Whoa, can't wait for see Spice," and she put the flame emoji. Now, as me say, if you don't know what going on, and know say Spice and Dovey are no friends. So, like me say, I don't know if she wants Spice to see her comment, because you know, maybe Spice go up on Authorize page and see same make the post or whatever it may be, Zine. But of course, you know, say Spice now go pay Dovey Magnum no mind, or she go just probably see it and ignore it and act like she not see it, or maybe she block her, so that means she can't see her comments them or whatever it may be, you see me? Or is it a case where Dovey Magnum I go there and she can't wait for actually see Spice, you see me? Even though I not see her name in the performance list, I'm not sure if she will be there as well. You see it, people, as in she go perform, and maybe she will be there in the crowd for watch Spice and the rest of people them. I don't know, people, but let me know where anything about with Dovey Magnum. That woman ain't easy. Now, let me know where anything about what she say, you know, that you can't wait for see Spice. Leave it in the comment section. So now we're going to talk about the family and friends of a guy named Scott Bambury. And this guy actually work at the Kingston wharf, and them basically can't find him because him drop off of the ship, and, you know, from this, so them just don't know where him gone. You understand what I'm saying, people? From what I'm hearing, this guy do not know how to swim. And that is according to somebody who him used to work with, because originally, or before him work at the Kingston Wharf and thing, people, he was working at a car wash. You understand what I say? And you don't know, he move on now to this job where him always want to do. This is actually his dream job and stuff like that, you understand? So, according to somebody, I think of them run the car wash where him used to work, which is a good friend of him as well. He must say him not know about the man can't swim, so, you know, of course, them can't find him from him drop off fight, and, you know, the family, them, you know, them worry, and the friends, them, and all of that. Yes, so man say, you know, seemed like he was a nice person, a good person, and, you know, he was very excited when him actually got this job and thing, you understand? Even him auntie, I believe, you know, was very excited for him, and, you know, feel good and things, so, you know, if he hear said this happened to him and he's actually, you know, on the job where him love, where him look for from a long time, or where him want for do one thing. You know, it's a very sad situation. You see me, when you're there on ship and them thing, especially if you can't swim, you have to definitely careful. Me I telling you people, I don't know. Come like the man them need to have some farmer, like something pan you, strap on you just in case you drop off, them can pull you up or something. You understand what I say, people? But sad situation, you know. We just hope so we get some good news, even though, you know, this happened from yesterday, you know, and I know them not see him. So, of course, we know so nobody can float underwater for so long, is what I say, but what for just hope for some form of miracle or something like that. You understand what I say, people? So let me know what you guys think about this unfortunate situation, and, you know, the people them were out there up on the ship, man, and have to be extra careful, especially if you can't swim. Anyway, people, let me know what you guys think about this in the comment section. And thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bless upon yourself until I drop the next video. I'm out.